Howdy, everybody. So you're wanting to get into the Noodle Park Baseball Stadium, but you're unable to climb that sign anymore? Well, they patched it out, so I'm going to teach you a new way. All you need is 2 tow trucks and a max speed car. So here's our 2 tow trucks. And you just want to take these 2 tow trucks over to this green driving point over here. You go past this point and over to this first parking space. You don't want to pull all the way in. Just about right there. Try to aim it like that. We're going to deploy the ramp. We're going to go get our other tow truck. And then while we park this, let's go ahead and just order. I'm going to go for the Void Dasher. Spawned right there. Let's pick some of these parts out of the way. And now we're just going to park the second tow truck right on top like that. And then we're going to deploy the second ramp. Make sure we settle where it ain't going to fall off. And we'll get out. Get our fast car. Let's go ahead and move these cars as well. And we're going to smash that. Crowd's out of our way. And now we have a perfect ramp up. These civilians to move. Alright. And there we go. If you're lucky, you can get it all the way on top of there, and then you can start driving your car around. But if you're not, make sure you keep your car up here, because it's the only way you're going to be able to scale this up. And then from here, you can do anything you want, trolling players to where they can't get to you. If they try, you can just blow up the tow trucks they use. Make sure you get rid of this car. Make sure you don't want to blow it up right here, because that'll still leave the car to climb up. You want to hack it so it drives off. And now players can't get you. Happy trolling!